The Honda Accord VII from 2003 to 2007, sometimes referenced as 2002 to 2008, comes standard with daytime running lights, or DRLs, designed to improve visibility during daytime driving. These DRLs are integrated with the vehicle's low-beam headlights and automatically turn on at reduced brightness when the engine is running and the car is shifted out of park or neutral for manual transmissions. To better understand how DRLs work, let's look at the headlight components and their wiring. The wiring diagram shows how DRLs connect to the ignition and lighting systems, ensuring they operate safely without affecting other lights. In most Honda Accord VII models, DRLs are always on by default from the factory. There isn't a dedicated DRL switch inside the cabin. If your DRLs aren't working, it's likely due to a disabled fuse or a malfunctioning component, not a switch setting. The most common reason for disabled DRLs is a removed or blown fuse. Locate the DRL fuse in the underhood fuse box. It's typically a 7.5F fuse, often labeled daytime running light. Consult your owner's manual for the exact location. Ensure the fuse is intact and properly seated. If the DRL fuse is missing or blown, locate the 7.5F fuse in the underhood fuse box, often labeled for daytime running lights. Check if the fuse is intact or has a broken element. A blown fuse shows a melted or missing portion of the fuse element. Install a new 7.5F fuse if it's missing, or replace it if blown. Make sure it's properly seated in the fuse box. After replacing the fuse, start the engine and shift out of park to see if the DRLs activate at reduced brightness. If replacing the fuse doesn't solve the problem, other potential issues include a faulty DRL relay, a malfunctioning headlight switch, corroded wiring, or burnt-out low-beam bulbs. A faulty DRL relay can prevent the system from activating. Check the relay in the underhood fuse box for proper operation. A malfunctioning headlight switch may not allow DRLs to engage properly. Inspect the switch for damage or wear. Corroded wiring can interrupt the electrical connection needed for DRL operation. Look for signs of corrosion in the wiring harness. Burnt-out low-beam bulbs will prevent DRLs from working since they use the low-beam headlights. Replace any faulty bulbs. Finally, check the headlight switch position. It should be off or in auto mode for DRLs to function correctly. The DRL system in the Honda Accord VII consists of key components that work together to provide daytime visibility. The main components include the DRL module, which controls the system, headlight relays that manage power to the lights, and an optional photo sensor in models with auto headlights. This circuit diagram shows how electricity flows from the battery through the DRL fuse to the relay box and headlight units, controlled by the ECU. The wiring diagram illustrates the relay setup for converting headlight connections, ensuring proper low and high beam operation. Inside the vehicle, various sensors work with the DRL system to monitor conditions and ensure safe operation. The DRL module activates the headlights at reduced intensity, around 20 to 30% brightness, when the engine is running and the car is shifted into gear. DRLs significantly improve vehicle visibility during the day, reducing the risk of accidents. According to NTSA data, DRLs can reduce daytime multi-vehicle crashes by approximately 11% and pedestrian crashes by around 15%. Keeping your DRLs functioning is crucial for safety. While the Honda Accord VII comes equipped with halogen bulbs for its daytime running lights, many owners choose to upgrade to LED headlight kits for better performance and longevity. Halogen bulbs provide basic DRL function, but LEDs offer improved visibility, energy efficiency, and durability. As shown in this comparison, LEDs create brighter, more consistent illumination. When upgrading to LEDs, follow proper installation to maintain original DRL functionality. This schematic shows the key components including the heatsink, LED driver, and wiring connections. Use a wiring diagram to connect LEDs properly to the vehicle's electrical system. This ensures the DRLs activate correctly with the ignition and maintain compatibility with existing fuses and relays. The result is brighter, more efficient headlights that enhance daytime visibility. Notice the clear LED ring and improved illumination compared to halogen bulbs. Modern vehicles trend toward integrated lighting systems with adaptive features, but basic DRL safety remains essential. Whether using original halogen or upgraded LEDs, keeping DRLs functional improves road safety significantly.